Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to add Pinterest tag to your Bluehost site. So first of all, if you don't have a Pinterest business account, please head over to the Pinterest and then click sign up, right? Create a free business account and then enter your details. So you'll be prompted to describe your business and its purpose. And after that, you can create a pin or an ad, build your profile, back out to Explore Business Hub. Right? So basically, if you want to add the Pinterest tag to your WordPress site on Bluehost, first of all, you need to use a plugin, right? Install header and footer, right? Let me type it in a new page. Sorry, header and footer. Sorry, footer, header and footer plugin. Right, for WordPress. And basically once you insert the headers and footers, right, and basically search for insert headers and footers by WP or WordPress beginner or similar plugin, and then you can add the Pinterest tag code, right? So once activated, go to the settings of the headers and footers and just paste the Pinterest tag code, right? So basically once you're in, right, and you can have your own code on Pinterest, right, and then manually add in it to your theme. Okay, so from your WordPress, right, just right here add, let me go ahead right here and just type Pinterest tag code if you don't know, right? And you're gonna be able right here to see it from the Pinterest official website. And if you want to download the installation method right here, you can use integration partner, email instructions to your developer or colleague, use a manual setup and install it yourself. If you use it iOS, it says right here, it looks like yeah, because of my device, right? But you can go using your PC and download your tag, okay? And then basically manually just go ahead and type right here adding tag code to your theme, WordPress. Okay, let me not here. Yeah, log it to your WordPress and then click appearance, and then under appearance, theme file editor, and then right here you're gonna see the theme header and the theme, and then just paste the tag snippets at the bottom of the code editor, and then click update file, and you can make sure to see better file edited successfully, and then basically gonna verify the they're gonna verify the Pinterest tag, right? And basically that's it. The Pinterest tag will start tracking Pinterest user interactions on your Bluehost site, right? Giving you insight into activity and from from Pinterest users. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.